Cleopatra was born in 69 BC. She was a young girl with a rather large family full of power, and one day she was supposed to take the throne. But, in the meantime, she had to grow up before anything could take place. Cleopatra grew up as a so-called book nerd. She didn't like to get far away from home and would rather be learning than hanging out with her friends. She spent most of her childhood in the great library of Alexandria, reading and learning about history. Once she got a little older, she would have to step out of her comfort zone to outshine her siblings. At the age of 17, her father named her queen, and then she was informed she would have to marry her brother. The idea of Cleopatra marrying her brother did not set well with her. Her brother's overseers slowly and surely wanted to take all the power from her and kick her off the throne. If they could get her off the throne, they would have full power until her brother became an adult. Luckily, Cleopatra would not have to marry her brother after he was beheaded in an attack. The first downfall in Cleopatra's ruling was when the drought led to crop failure, and the crowd started to believe this was actually true. The next major event in her life was falling for Caesar. Her being the queen of Egypt and him being the ruler of Rome was technically not allowed, but they were determined to make it work. Egypt considered this an act of betrayal, therefore Cleopatra's sister, Arsinoe, decided to make a move. She thought it would be a good time to take the crown. But in the end, Cleopatra thought this meant war. Her sister lost the war, and Caesar and Cleopatra followed the new model of "don't mess with us." With Cleopatra looking like the world's strongest leader, Caesar and Cleopatra escaped to Rome. When they arrived, Rome was infuriated. Caesar had cheated on his wife and had a half-Egyptian kid. Caesar was violently murdered, and Cleopatra returned back to Egypt. After being in a state of depression, she married Mark Antony and had 3 kids. After marrying Mark, her main goal was to continue the foreign policy. That entertained her for a while, but then out of the blue, she died on August 12, 30 BC. Today it will still be an unknown reason of whether she was murdered, stabbed herself, or poisoned, but the Egyptians say she will live on forever.